Guys, Al here. I'm back to work on the Dodge pickup truck. I'm making a tailgate for it. I'm using a tailgate skin from around a 83, 84 Dodge Ram, just to get the letters and the shape I want for the tailgate. I'll show you how I'm cutting it up, and then I'll show you once I get it all cut up and welded back together. Alright, thanks for watching. This is the tailgate I'm using. I'm in the light. I'll take it inside so you can actually see what I'm talking about. There we go. So I just picked it up at the junkyard. Pretty rough shape, but none of the stuff that I need is rough. So I'm just going to cut a section out at each end. This one here, it's only 2.5 inches I'm taking out of this end. I'll bring it back together, weld it up. And then down this end, because I have the old handle right here and it's got to go, I'm actually going to cut a section out of it like an L shape and just replace all this metal with the far end, because all I want it to say is Dodge. I don't want the Ram. So it should work out pretty good. This will be the exact size, height, and length I need for the skin for the new tailgate that I'm building for the 27 Dodge. Alright, I'll show you once I get it cut up and start welding it together. Okay, got the skin all welded on. I still got to grind it down a bit. And then sand it down, and not going to be much body fill on that. Most of it's going to cover with primer. I build primer. So here's the tailgate on, ready to be sanded down, and a little bit of body work on the seams. I know the lighting's not very good, but it's a small garage. Okay, I'll throw you in the tripod and open up the tailgate so you can see the inside. So I just took a piece of 18 gauge because I wanted it a little strong. For the inside piece, did some bead rolls in it, and then just welded around the outer edge. Made spring-loaded pins instead of a chain and a latch. You just pull in on them, let them go, they pop out, they go into a hole right here. Locks the tailgate shut. Used some straps off of I think it was a Chevy pickup truck. Made them fit, keep it from going all the way down. And this is kind of like the hinge. You just undo one side. I welded a pin on here. It goes inside the pipe, inside a bushing. So the tailgate's nice and tight. Shouldn't rattle, I hope. And it's easy to open and close. Just gotta find out where I'm cutting the frame off and do like a splash apron for the back. I'm probably going to make original style bumpers for it, so that I gotta figure out exactly what I'm doing before I cut that frame down, because I don't want to cut off more than it's something I might need later. So So that's tailgate built. If you're interested in the truck build, please subscribe, comment for sure. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. Um, Let anybody you know who might be interested in it know about it. And, stick around for the splash aprons. That'll be the next project I work on. I'm going to make splash aprons for the running boards. I'm going to try and make them fit the cab in the box instead of just being a straight run. I'm going to try and put some shape into it. So I'll see you then. Thanks for watching.